Hey everybody, it's Kalen here with the Minute Admin, and in this video we're going to be covering the Credentials tab on trailhead.salesforce.com. In the last video we covered the Learn tab, and you can click that video if you haven't seen it yet, where we cover everything under the Learn tab, but in this video we're going to cover everything under the Credentials tab. So let's go ahead and get started. So under Credentials we have Superbadges here, and if we click on Superbadges, we can see what Superbadges are. So let's click what are Superbadges here. And we can see that Superbadges show that you can tackle real world problems. They show what you can do and they help you stand out from the pack. A lot of people do a lot of trails and modules and projects, but Superbadges take your Salesforce skills to the next level by pretty much not giving you any sort of answers. You can't really find the answers online. You can't really get a lot of help other than if somebody has done this super badge, they might give you a hint on how to do a part of the super badge and how to kind of research where you need to look in order to finish the project. But that's pretty much what technology is. There's a big community on how to do things, but also how to go out and find the answers on your own. And that's what really stands out about Superbadges, is it really kind of mimics what it's like to actually work in the Salesforce ecosystem. So we've got a lot of different Superbadges. If we look on the Credentials and Superbadges page here, we see that there's 14 Superbadges. These Advanced Apex Specialists and Apex Specialists and App Customization Specialist Superbadges look like they are developer Superbadges, but if you want to come down and scroll down a little bit more, you can see that there's Einstein Analytics Superbadges, Service Cloud Specialist Superbadges. Let's go ahead and click on the Service Cloud Specialist here, and we see that we have to unlock this super badge before we can actually start doing the super badge. That's for every super badge out there, and we have to do these 4 looks like modules in order to open up this super badge, and then we get a breakdown of what we'll be doing to earn the super badge and the concepts that are tested in the super badge, the use case for actually earning the super badge, and all of the project details in order for you to understand what's going on in this business scenario. So once you complete the super badge, you will actually get, let's see how many points, you will get 5,500 points here for this super badge. So it's kind of like finishing a trail here. Once you finish the super badge, it looks like you can share on LinkedIn. You can put it on your resume, as you can see here. You can put it in the community. You can really just show off that you earned this super badge. It's a very cool thing to show off that you've done, and you should definitely share it with your network because it definitely shows that you know what you're doing in the Salesforce ecosystem. And then we've got this section here where we can see where super badges fit into your Salesforce resume. We can see how are super badges different than other Trailhead badges. How do super badges complement Salesforce certification? And we can see that that's the Super Badge tab here under Credentials. So let's go to Certifications, and we can check out all of the certifications that you would want for your specific role. So we've got a Salesforce Admin here, and we've got all of the certifications that you can get as a Salesforce Admin. We can see what a Salesforce Admin is, and we can schedule our exam. And then we've got our Architect certifications here. So we've got the journey here. We've got the different architect certifications down here, what an architect is, and how we can schedule and where to schedule an exam. And I will actually make a video on how to schedule an exam. You should stay tuned and look out for that video. I'll show you where you need to go to schedule an exam, how to schedule, and whether or not you want to schedule online or in person, and how to do that as well. So that's our Credential tab for super badges and for certifications. We can see how to maintain our certifications. All of our maintenance for our certifications are going to be on Trailhead, so you don't have to leave anywhere. And there's going to be 3 certifications per year. You're going to get an email from the certification maintenance team That's going to remind you when you need to update your certifications and maintain your certifications. All of the things are going to be online, and I can actually make a video about that as well. You should just check the channel out, and I'm going to make a video about that now that we're talking about that. And this is what the schedule is going to be like for the maintenance exams, and that's how you look at the maintenance certification dates. And then we can look at how we verify our certifications. So if you want to see if somebody is actually certified, or if you want to see if your certifications have popped up, you can type your name in here. So let's go ahead and I'll type my name right here, and I'll click search. And we can see that I am certified here, and I can show you my credentials. I have the Pardot Specialist, Marketing Cloud Email Specialist, Sales Cloud Consultant, and the Salesforce Certified Administrator certification. And we can add that to LinkedIn here, and we could go ahead and look at LinkedIn and add the certification right here. And that's going to come down all the way to, if we scroll down to the bottom of our LinkedIn page, we can see that our licenses and certifications are issued here. And I have all 4 of my certifications here. And that is it pretty much for the credentials tab here on the Salesforce Trailhead website. Next, we're going to go over the community tab, and then after that, the companies tab. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the community tab Salesforce Trailhead video, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks.